Hi guys, sitting in the car, rainy day, Nanny's visiting her friend. Normally I'd go for a walk around the charity shops, but not in this rain. So we'll do this little kit that I picked up from Biology, 99p. It's foam with paper on it, whatever you call that. Paper clad foam. Sticky backed. Peel off the sticky and you stick it together. I did something the other day. Oh, I think it was a turtle. So this is another in the sort of C series or whatever. Yeah. You peel off the backing and stick them together. L for left, R for right. Right, so that piece goes in there. So if we start off with L1, put that in there. Obviously then L2. L2 will glue on there. On the left of it. Yeah. Okay. So if we take the sticky off, oh come on, is that going to be a problem? Right, so that's L2, which is going to go onto L1. Push that up through, so we line it up. Like that. Okay, I think we got the idea. We've either got the idea or we got the idea totally wrong. Let's just test that for size. Oh, that is right, that is getting smaller. It looked bigger to me. Could push it all together without taking the sticky off. That's good. haven't got them quite straight. I bet you can't get them apart easily once you've done that. Leave it. It'll be a learning point. 05, 06. Oh, that's L9. Come on, Grandad. L6. L7. L8. L9. L10. Oh, I hate this sort of thing. I reckon that goes underneath there. It's not going to go in there now that I've stuck that on. Bend it out a bit. Right, let's try and get that. And then L11. Okay, got the idea. Put that in there. Okay, R1. R2. We're only halfway through, but I've now realised that if I push them up from that side rather than push them down, there's a good chance that yellow covering stays in place and it's easier to get off. If that makes any sense, I'll try and demonstrate that again with the next one. R2, R3, yeah. If I push it up from behind, that didn't happen that time, although those bits have come loose. Yeah. R3. Push it up from behind. There we are. That's what I'm talking about. It pulls the yellow off. Easier to get off then. Yep. So I expect if you do quite a few of these, you'll get the hang of it. And you can move along a bit quicker. Push it. Yeah, let's push that bit out first as well. Right. Just seems natural to push it through rather than from top to bottom rather than bottom to top. I keep doing it the wrong way around. That's quite a set of teeth he's got in there. Push that way. No, that didn't help that time. Right, R10. We're going to put this one on here first. Pull that out. It doesn't want to come out, but it will. There we go. And the last bit. And there we are, our shark. Right, job done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.